We are often asked, how can I improve my profile so that I'm selected for more projects? Well, there's no secret sauce, but here are a few pointers. It may seem silly, but we recommend including a profile picture. People like to have a sense of who they're working with. Include a bio and a resume. The bio is the first thing posting attorneys see when they decide whom to select. So it is your first opportunity to highlight your unique experience and skill and really set yourself apart from the other applicants. Don't waste that opportunity. Provide a detailed resume. More detail and specificity is a good thing here. Include not only your employment history, but also the areas of law and specific types of work you've done. For instance, while stating that you worked at an immigration firm for 3 years is helpful, identifying the types of cases you worked on can be a differentiating factor that elevates you above other applicants. Do you have appellate experience? If so, highlight your experience, including the courts where the appeals have been filed. Do you have any trial experience or significant experience with discovery? Have you been involved in complex litigation cases? If so, make sure it's clearly noted in your resume. If you clerked, elaborate on the types of cases the judge handled and the type of work you did as a clerk. If you've published articles or spoken at conferences or other events, include those in your resume. Do you have any non-legal experience that makes you unique? Were you a banker, an accountant, a doctor, a nurse, etc.? If so, highlight these. This background can be invaluable to certain practice areas. Have you received any accolades? If you have, include them. Don't be afraid to brag about how awesome you are. Once your detailed resume is ready to go, make sure it and your writing sample are PDFs so that they load smoother and quicker for the posting attorneys. And finally, but perhaps most importantly, knock your first project out of the park. I cannot overstate this. Our posting attorneys give a lot of weight to their colleagues' reviews. If you receive an exceeded expectation rating on your first project, the number of projects you are selected for in the future will begin to snowball. As always, if you have any questions, reach out to our Law Clerk Care Team at 888-479-5728 or support@lawclerk.legal.